the guy who came here first, and he explained what the process is. I think I made the right decision because all the working guys here, they're so friendly and helpful, and they're doing their job pretty quick, and they make sure that they don't dirty the floor or anything, they don't damage the wall. Well, yeah, that's basically what you need. They all covered much better than the old one, of course. Very good experience with you guys here. They're quick and response workers. They have doing their jobs very well, like they don't damage your wall or they help us to move the furniture, which is pretty heavy, and they just do it and put it back in order. So it's pretty good, and also the window looks pretty nice. It's with very good quality.